T&Mill Series, solution for dental prosthesis. With application of customized grade made for the various materials of dental prosthesis, T&Mill Series will provide great performances. Select our diamond coating grade ND3000 for zirconia machining, PVD coating grade PC2510 for metal machining, and non-coated grade for wax and PMMA machining. With its optimized relief and rake angle, T&Mill Series shows excellent wear resistance and machinability, ensuring stable cutting performance. Furthermore, it achieves fine surface roughness with the application of tangential cutting edge to remove the step at the connected part between the radius and the external edge. T&Mill Series also improved its tool life and workpiece's surface roughness with 2 factors. Lessens cutting load with the implementation of a special ballpoint design. Empowered its hardness with increase of web size. Corloy's new T&Mill Series for dental prosthesis. The best solution to deal with the various needs of the dental industry market. Corloy.